First at 4 today, Rhode Island finds itself in the middle of the race to create a coronavirus vaccine. Good evening, I'm Brian Yacono.
And I'm Kim Kalunian. Today, Pfizer announcing the Ocean State is one of 4 states selected for a pilot program. The pharmaceutical company is working with select states to sort out logistical challenges with distributing the vaccine.
Our Brandon Truitt is live in Providence with what this will look like. And Brandon, the state's certainly welcoming this partnership.
Oh yeah, guys, without a doubt here. The Department of Health saying that this is really good news for Rhode Island. They're going to be able to really get a head start on planning, ironing out any of the issues directly with the company making the vaccine. You may not be able to see it, but the Department of Health says there's work happening behind the scenes.
It's enormously complex.
Planning, that is. Word of a potential vaccine creating Olympic-sized hurdles over how to pass it out.
When it comes to vaccine storage and distribution and ordering.
News Tuesday, Pfizer selecting New Mexico, Tennessee, Texas, and Rhode Island for a pilot vaccine delivery program. It comes after the company released early findings last week showing its vaccine was 90% effective. The company saying each state was selected for its difference in overall size, diversity of populations, and immunization infrastructure, as well as the state's need to reach individuals in varied urban and rural settings. Joseph Wendelken with the Department of Health says this doesn't mean Rhode Island gets the vaccine earlier, but argues the state will be ahead of the game, having its systems already in place.
Which ultimately could mean that people might get vaccinated a little bit sooner than they otherwise would, even though we're not getting vaccine any more quickly than other states.
Wendelken says the state has had meetings with Pfizer twice a week for the past several weeks, discussing challenges, including storage. This image from Pfizer showing freezer farms in Belgium. The company saying its vaccine has to be stored at minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now, the Department of Health says they're reaching out to their local partners on what resources are available and what's needed.
We're talking about what their capacities look like in terms of storage units, and are exploring other resources and other units that we can bring into the state to make sure that we have what we need to meet the demand.
And the Department of Health says that they are trying to be as transparent as possible in this process, hoping to build the public's trust along the way. And I want to share this news just into our newsroom a couple of moments ago. Pfizer CEO in an interview, again, just a few minutes ago, saying that their company may be within days of filing for emergency authorization from the FDA. Guys, they are on track to have the first doses out by the end of the year.
Moving right along now, Brandon, thank you. And a lot of questions we're getting from our viewers. What will the distribution look like? Where will it all take place? Learning anything about that today?
Well, Brian, the Department of Health says they're still trying to work all of that out. Right now, really, all options are on the table. Anything from community clinics that you might drive up to, going to your doctor's office, as well as the Department of Health actually taking the vaccine to places like nursing homes where transportation might be more of a challenge for people. Really, they're still trying to figure out those details. But, guys, they tell me what they're trying to do is make it as convenient as possible to get these shots.
All right, Brandon, thank you so much.